To purchase, you will need WeChat installed on your phone. Step 1. Set up WeChat for English. Open WeChat and tap Me. Then, Settings. Set the language to English. Enable auto-translate messages received in chats. This will help translate messages into English automatically. Step 2. Find the Palace Museum Mini Program. In WeChat, search for Gugong, the Chinese name for the Palace Museum. Look for Gugong Boryun in the top search results. Tap Gugong Minpiao Yuye if more options appear, and select the one highlighted in the red circle. Step 3. Use translation function in the mini program. Open the mini program and tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Choose Translate. Now all instructions, including what to know about booking tickets, will appear in English. Click I have read and agreed to start booking. Step 4. Booking your tickets. Click Buy Tickets, highlighted in red. First-time users will need to verify their mobile phone number. Select your visit date. Forbidden City tickets go on sale 7 days in advance through the official online platform, the Palace Museum WeChat Mini Program. Tickets are released daily at 8 p.m. And choose either morning or afternoon tickets. Enter all visitors' passport information in advance, especially during peak season, to save time and avoid errors. Your passport ready. Select Passport as the document type. The system will automatically verify your information. However, you should still carefully check that all the details you entered are correct before submitting your booking. Choose the ticket type. Standard entrance ticket, most common. WeChat Pay enabled. Step 5. Payment. For overseas visitors, WeChat Pay can be tricky. The easiest method is to get WeChat Pay relative card authorization from a friend in China. After payment, your order details, including visitor names and order number, will appear. Step 6. On the day of your visit. Simply scan your passport at the ticket check machine to enter. Tips for foreign visitors. Tickets sell out quickly, especially during holidays. Plan ahead and avoid peak days. Common challenges include mobile phone verification and WeChat Pay setup. To avoid hassle, you can contact us for support.